Hello guys, my name is Prav Yadav and welcome to the channel. So in this video I can show you one website where we can create a high quality image submission backlink. So the website name is artstation.com and this is a website dashboard. Before that we can research something about that website. So according to Acharya, the domain rating is 91 and according to Moj the domain authority is 89 and the spam score is 12%, so it's quite good. It's not going to impact your website health and your trust authority. And according to similar web, this website having 22.1 million monthly traffic. This is a great traffic and you can see this is a 8th category ranking. So must, if you guys are planning to do image backlinking, then you guys have to must consider this website for your creation process. And the mostly traffic coming from USA, Russia, China, and the France, Korea. So this website having mostly that kind of country traffic. Okay, so now we can start. So you can see this is a website dashboard and I can also provide this website URL over the description section, so where you guys can land it on that website easily. So you can see top of the right corner there is a sign up button. You can click over there. Okay, and there is you guys can choose any option according to your convenient. So I can go with sign up with email. So there you guys can add your company name. Then after that you guys can choose your email ID. Then you guys can choose your password. You guys have to acknowledge the terms and condition and you can click for the create account button. Then after that, this website can send you a verification email over your email Gmail. So now I can refresh it once. So you can see we received it. So there is a button, you can click over there, confirm my account. No need for this, we can close it. And there you guys can add your headline. So I can suggest you guys can choose your main targeted keyword, then you guys can add your brand name over there. Okay, so suppose that best video interviewing software, and there you guys can add your brand name Jobma. This is a best thing. Okay, in the main city you guys can add your main headquarter where your company are operating this business, and then after that you guys can choose your country, United States, time zone in US and Canada, mountain times, central time. Okay, then if you want, then you guys can check this box. This is for newsletter, and after that you can click for the continue, and in this option which profile best describe you, so you guys can go with artist. This video is sponsored by Intensely. So every businesses should get listed on Intensely. It is a business directory with lot of features aiming to help you with your SEO. Quickly generated multiple highly relevant backlink to your sites. Here is a listing page with lot of businesses who do this. Every link to your site is a highly customizable Dofollow link, so you can target a specific keyword that you want to rank for. Here is the customizable screen. You can post unlimited article about your industry. Finally, if you are an agency or have multiple websites, then you can take advantage of our agency subscription to list your businesses plus 10 of your clients. And there you guys can upload your avatar for your brand image of your company, kind of a brand logo. Okay, so this is your username. If you want, you can optimize your username, and after that in the summary section you guys can add your about your company, kind of your company description. Then after that you guys can choose a freelancing, and in the expertise section you can add your expertise. So video interviewing software, so you guys can pick 2 to 3 tags for your business. online interview software, and the software expertise, you can ignore these things. And after that, subscribe the job. Does it, will you like to be notified when that new art job opportunity? Then after that, you can click for the continue button. Okay, once you guys can complete this process, then after that you can acknowledge, okay, I got it. Then after that you can click for the continue button, and you guys can see, you guys can go with again your profile section, and you can click for the edit profile, and now you can go with a social section. There you guys can choose your website. There you guys can add your website URL, okay, in the profile section. And after that, if you want to add your social accounts, you can. So for the just in case, I'm adding a Facebook URL also. So you can see we have added, and there is another option to no need. So you can see this is your profile landing page URL, and I can show you this is a no follow or do follow backlink. So it's a no follow backlink, not a no follow, but this is a no referral backlink. So you can consider in follow backlink. If is this a no follow, then this is can indicate. So this is a do follow backlink. Okay, so once you guys can complete this process, so you can see there is a upload button. You can click over there, and there you guys can choose your image title. So this is I'm just picking this title for the image submission, and I can download. Recently I published this blog, so I can gonna do image submission for this. Okay, and there you guys can go with upload file section, and you can upload at your image, which image you wanting for the image backlinking. Okay, so in the art network description section, we can copy the conclusion of this content, and we can add it over there. And for the in case, let me check, we can edit this blog URL also, and then we'll check this is a working or not. My website, okay, and after that you guys can see this is a medium real-time 3D printing and the digital. So if you want, but you can ignore these things, and the software used, subject matter, and in the tag section you guys can add your tags. Okay, so video, SOFT, video interview, and after that I can going to add a HR agency social media visibility, HR agency social media, HR agency social media. So I have picked 2 tags, and also this is suggesting 2 new tags, so you can choose. And after that we can click for the publish button. So you can see there you guys can click, and this is your image landing page URL, and also our website blog URL is clickable. So this is a great thing, but this is a no follow, but the thing is this is a clickable backlink. Okay, so this is our image submission landing page URL, and this is a description about this image, and this is a title. Okay, and these are the tags. So this is the process for the image submission on artstation.com, and you guys will know the profile creation and all the things we have we setted all the things. Okay, so if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching guys, and if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me or your friends, so then you guys have to share your thoughts on a comment section. Okay, and if you guys can wanting to connect with me personally, any kind of service, project and suggestions, so I can provide my social details, over the description section, so where you guys can connect with me easily. And another thing, I'm living in Gurgaon and Delhi, so if anyone are near about me and wanting to meet me, so you guys can feel free to reach me. Okay. And the last thing, if you guys are new on this channel, or if you guys haven't subscribed this channel, so you guys can hit the subscribe and like button, because these things can motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. I hope you guys will understand and you guys will do something from your side, whatever you things are wanting from me, for me, or you, for anything. Okay, yes, so bye bye and take care.